If you've received a letter saying your insurance claim was denied, take a breath. A denial does not automatically mean the process is over. Whether it's health insurance, auto insurance, or homeowners coverage, there are structured steps you can take next. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what to do, clearly and methodically, so you understand your options and your rights as a policyholder. This video is for educational purposes only and not legal advice, but by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for how to respond to a denied claim. Step 1. Read the denial carefully. The first step is simple but critical. Read every word of the denial letter. Insurance companies are required to explain the reason for denial. The letter should reference specific policy provisions, exclusions, or documentation issues. Look for the exact reason for denial, the policy language they're citing, any deadlines for appeal, instructions on how to challenge the decision. Do not skim this. The denial letter is effectively a blueprint for your next move. Pay close attention to appeal deadlines. Many policies allow 30 to 60 days to submit an appeal, though this varies by state and insurance type. Missing a deadline can significantly limit your options. Mark the date clearly. Step 2. Identify the type of denial. Not all denials are the same. Some common categories include insufficient documentation, policy exclusion, coverage limit reached, missed reporting deadline, claim deemed not medically necessary, wear and tear versus sudden damage. Each of these requires a different response. For example, if the denial is based on missing documentation, your strategy should focus on providing stronger evidence. If it's based on a policy exclusion, your strategy focuses on policy interpretation. Clarity here matters. Step 3. Gather and organize documentation. Now begin assembling your file. You'll want your full insurance policy, the declarations page, all correspondence with the insurer, repair estimates or medical records, photos, receipts, invoices, any expert opinions or inspection reports. Organization is important. Create a timeline of events: when the incident occurred, when you reported it, when inspections happened, when the denial was issued. This helps you spot inconsistencies and present your case clearly. If this is a health insurance claim, request complete medical records from providers. Sometimes insurers make decisions based on incomplete documentation. If this is property damage, consider obtaining multiple estimates from licensed professionals. The goal is clarity and completeness. Step 4. Review your policy language. Now review your policy carefully. Focus on the specific sections cited in the denial. Insurance policies contain definitions, exclusions, endorsements, coverage limits. Sometimes language is more nuanced than it appears at first glance. Look for definitions of key terms. Look for exceptions to exclusions. Look for endorsements that modify standard exclusions. If the language appears ambiguous, make note of that. Understanding your policy is essential before submitting an appeal. Step 5. Prepare a structured appeal. If you decide to challenge the denial, submit a formal appeal. This should not be emotional. It should be structured. Start with your name, policy number, claim number, date of denial. Then address each reason for denial directly. If they cited insufficient documentation, attach the missing documentation. If they referenced an exclusion, explain why it does or does not apply. Keep your tone factual. Avoid accusations. Focus on evidence. Include copies of supporting documents, not originals, and submit your appeal in a way that provides confirmation of receipt, such as certified mail or confirmed email delivery. Keep copies of everything. Step 6. Understand the review process. Once submitted, the appeal goes through internal review. Depending on the insurer, this may involve a different adjuster, a supervisor, a separate appeals department. For health insurance claims, certain denials may qualify for independent external review under federal or state regulations. This means a third-party reviewer evaluates the case. You can check your eligibility for external review through your state's insurance department website. During this time, remain engaged. Follow up politely. Document calls and emails. Provide additional information promptly if requested. Step 7. If the appeal is denied. If your appeal is unsuccessful, you may still have options. These can include filing a complaint with your state's Department of Insurance, requesting external review if eligible, consulting a public adjuster for property claims, speaking with an attorney who specializes in insurance disputes. A complaint to the state insurance regulator is typically free and can often be filed online. Regulators review whether the insurer followed proper procedures. Each situation is different, so evaluate your costs and potential recovery before pursuing legal action. Step 8. Prevention for the future. Once resolved, take steps to strengthen future claims. Review your coverage annually. Clarify exclusions. Maintain documentation. Photograph property condition periodically. Keep organized records of all insurance communications. Preparation reduces stress later. Step 9. One common mistake during the appeals process is focusing on frustration rather than documentation. Appeals are evidence-driven. The clearer and more organized your submission, the stronger your position. Final thoughts. A denied claim can feel overwhelming, but in many cases, it is not the final outcome. The key is responding methodically. Understand the reason. Organize documentation. Review the policy. Submit a structured appeal, and escalate appropriately if necessary. Persistence, organization, and clarity make a difference. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing. In upcoming videos, we'll break down low settlement offers, claim delays, under investigation notices, and how to evaluate when professional help makes sense. Thank you for watching.